Hi, awesome friends! Welcome to Mimi's Farmtastic Adventure. Today, we're playing a super fun game called Who Am I? 30 farm friends to guess. Can you guess the animal hiding in each clue? You've got 3 seconds. Ready? Let's trot, moo, and oink our way through the farm. I give milk and say moo. Who am I? It's a cow. Cows are gentle animals that give us fresh milk and love munching on grass in the fields. I love rolling in mud and eating corn. Who am I? It's a pig. Pigs roll in mud to stay cool and enjoy tasty treats like corn and apples. I crow at sunrise to wake up the farm. Who am I? It's a rooster. Roosters are the farm's alarm clock. They crow loudly when the sun comes up. I'm fluffy and give wool. Who am I? It's a sheep. Sheep grow thick wool that we use to make warm clothes like sweaters and scarves. I love climbing and chewing everything. Who am I? It's a goat. Goats are curious animals that nibble on leaves and even climb hills and fences. I gallop and help plow fields. Who am I? It's a horse. Horses are strong and speedy animals that help farmers with many chores. I gobble and have fancy tail feathers. Who am I? It's a turkey. Turkeys puff out their colorful tail feathers and make gobbling sounds in the yard. I quack and love swimming. Who am I? It's a duck. Ducks waddle around on land and love to paddle in ponds and splash in the water. I'm tiny, yellow, and follow my mom. Who am I? It's a chick. Chicks hatch from eggs and stay close to their mother hen to stay warm and safe. I'm soft and love munching on carrots. Who am I? It's a rabbit. Rabbits hop around the farm and dig little holes to hide and play in. I guard the animals and bark. Who am I? It's a farm dog. Farm dogs are loyal and smart helpers that protect the animals and herd sheep. I chase mice and purr in the barn. Who am I? It's a farm cat. Cats help keep barns clean by catching mice and love to nap in warm corners. I'm small, friendly, and kids love to ride me. Who am I? It's a pony. Ponies are mini horses with gentle hearts, perfect for children to ride and care for. I'm strong and pull heavy loads. Who am I? It's an ox. Oxen are mighty animals that help plow fields and carry heavy things on farms. I have thick fur and live on hilly farms. Who am I? It's a llama. Llamas have soft wool and can carry loads. They also make funny humming sounds. I help farmers in wet fields. Who am I? It's a water buffalo. Water buffalo are used on farms to help plow rice fields and love cool water. I look like a horse but have long ears and hee-haw loudly. Who am I? It's a donkey. Donkeys are strong helpers with big ears and are known for their loud bray. I'm part horse, part donkey, and I carry heavy things. Who am I? It's a mule. Mules are calm, tough animals that help on farms just like horses and donkeys. I honk and flap to guard the pond. Who am I? It's a goose. Geese are noisy guards with strong wings and love swimming near farm ponds. I'm a tiny bird raised for eggs and meat. Who am I? It's a quail. Quails are small birds with soft feathers and tasty little eggs. I'm a giant bird that runs fast but doesn't fly. Who am I? It's an emu. Emus are tall birds with strong legs and love to race across the field. I'm the biggest bird in the world. Who am I? It's an ostrich. Ostriches live on some farms and can run faster than most animals. I'm a baby with long ears and say hee-haw. Who am I? It's a donkey foal. Donkey foals are cute baby donkeys who follow their moms around the farm. I'm small and drink lots of milk. Who am I? It's a calf. Calves are baby cows that grow up to give milk or help on the farm. I'm fluffy and love to follow my flock. Who am I? It's a lamb. Lambs are baby sheep with soft wool and playful jumps. I'm a tiny climber who hops like a pro. Who am I? It's a kid, not the human kind. A kid is a baby goat who loves climbing and playing. I squeal, snort, and love cuddles. Who am I? It's a piglet. Piglets are small, wriggly baby pigs who love to snuggle in the straw. I follow my goosey parents and love the pond. Who am I? It's a gosling! Goslings are fluffy baby geese who paddle behind their parents in water. I waddle, quack, and swim in puddles. Who am I? It's a duckling. Ducklings are yellow fluff balls that love to splash and follow their moms. I'm a baby with plain feathers now, but will shine later. Who am I? It's a peacock chick. Peacock chicks look plain at first, but grow up to have amazing, colorful tails. Wow! You did an amazing job guessing from cows to peacocks. You've met 30 awesome farm friends today. Did you guess them all? Or did some surprise you? Don't worry, every time you play, you'll get better and better. Thanks for joining me on this fun farm adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and come back to Mimi World for more exciting games and cool facts. Bye for now, my smart friends. See you next time.